Hello, my name is Larsare. I'm Demand Response Manager at Hyven.
Hello, my name is Neeraj Odwani. I'm Product Manager at Hyven.
Hyven is a smart energy management and demand response service provider and part of the Fortum Group. The Hyven Smart Charging Solution is a B2B2C energy management platform that steers electric vehicle charging, home heating and cooling, all in a smarter, greener and cheaper way. The solution combines both savings from price optimization and power system value from demand response flexibility. All of that in a hassle-free way over cloud connections without any additional hardware or installation needs. The benefits of the Hyven solution are threefold. We lower variable electricity costs by around 30 to 40%. We lower the CO2 impact by 10 to 30%. And we are freeing up CO2-free flexibility by around 2 to 4 megawatt hour per home and per year. Our target customers are, on the one hand, the energy companies through our B2B2C platform. It's not only energy companies, it's also charger manufacturers, EV manufacturers, heat pump manufacturers, and home battery and smart home providers. On the other hand, we have the end users of the services who are residential customers with smart home appliances such as smart chargers, EVs, heat pumps, and so on. The need we are addressing is that we are providing automated savings for users on the variable price, combined with a hassle-free flexibility from low voltage grids.
Hyven B2B2C product connects to smart home appliances over the internet without the need for any additional hardware installations. Technology is entirely software and cloud-based, learning and steering home energy consumption with machine learning algorithms. Well, for energy companies, integrating high-margin residential customers with trading enables more accurate forecasting, and this in turn informs smart algorithms, help to avoid price peaks, and creates new revenue sources from flexibility. For manufacturers, B2B2C solution ensures that partners build value-added services to their customers, extending far beyond from the point of sale of the hardware, and we handle the complexity of the energy system. With our algorithms, the manufacturing companies gain a competitive edge with value-added promises of intelligent appliances that consume less for cheaper than the